Check out what I just bought. This is a 2-in-1 lip liner and lipstick. How perfect is that? And they give you 3 colors. That's so awesome because we always want to change it up, right? So let me show you what it looks like. So there is a thinner end and a thicker end. Now the thinner end is going to have the lip liner. And there it is. Very nice. And then what I really like about it is it's retractable. I love retractable lip liners. And this is what the lipstick looks like. So as you can see, and it has 3 different colors, and look how easy it is to use. So first I'm going to line my lips, and then I'm going to put on the lipstick. And this is gliding on so smoothly. And now I'm going to fill it in. So smooth, very easy to glide on. And it comes in 3 different colors, like I said. So let me show you what they all look like. So here's the 3 colors of the lip liner. And as you can see, they are all 3 different colors. Very pretty. And here's the 3 colors of the lipsticks. And they just match so perfectly. I absolutely love it. And this is what the lip liner and lipstick is. So as you can see, the lip liner is the thinner one, and there's the lipstick, and look at that perfect color match. Absolutely love it. Another nice feature, this is waterproof too, and it can even last up to 24 hours. How awesome is that? I absolutely love this. It's so convenient. They really thought of everything. Instead of having a lip liner and a lipstick, it's all in one. How awesome is that? Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.